League of Legends Classic has officially arrived, bringing players back to the early days of Summoner's Rift with classic champions, original gameplay mechanics, and a nostalgic experience. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to download, install, and launch League of Legends Classic on your Windows PC. Whether you're completely new to League of Legends or returning after years away, this guide will walk you through every step from creating a Riot account to launching your first Classic match. First, open your preferred web browser and search for League of Legends Classic. Make sure you are at the League of Legends Classic section. Click the Download or Play Free button to begin. If you're a brand new player, you'll need to create a Riot Games account. Click Create Account, enter your email address, verify your email if requested, provide your date of birth, choose a username, create a secure password, and accept the terms of service to finish registration. If you already have a Riot Games account, simply click Sign In and enter your existing username and password. There's no need to create a new account if you've played any Riot Games title before. After logging in, make sure your correct region is selected. Choosing the right region ensures you'll connect to the proper servers and play with the lowest possible latency. Once your region is confirmed, continue to the download page. Click the Download button to save the Riot Client installer to your computer. Depending on your internet connection, this should only take a few moments. When the download is complete, locate the installer and start the executable file. If Windows displays a user account control prompt asking whether you want to allow the application to make changes to your device, click Yes. The Riot Client installation wizard will now appear. Click Install. After a quick client installation, you can see the login screen. Click Install again. Next, choose your preferred installation location. If you don't want to use the default folder, pick language and also choose if you want shortcuts or not. Then click Install. The installer will automatically download all required game files, so allow the process to complete without interrupting it. The installation process is quite long, but you can sign in with your Riot Games account and do a few things while it is happening. After you logged in, you'll get a Terms of Service pop-up. Scroll to the bottom and accept it. Then you might receive game-related news, like what's new and such. Click OK and wait till your installation is ready. When everything is fully updated, click Play. If this is a new installation, you need to give a Riot ID. Type in whatever you prefer, that's all there is to it. After this Riot ID creation, you might need to click Play again. And a region and language selection pop-up comes. Select what you prefer and click OK. A brief update will adjust your client. Then you will receive a welcome message where you need to click Let's Go. Then click Explore. After that, they will ask you to accept the community guidelines. Accept everything and click I'm in. As you can see, for some reason I had to click on everything for a second time and click I'm in again. When you are ready, I believe it's a good idea to look around to check potential rewards, how the runes and masteries work. You can customize your settings, configure your graphics options, and jump straight into your first League of Legends Classic match. Thanks for watching and enjoy your return to the Rift.